Today in the energy markets, I want to focus on natural gas. Natural gas on the upswing today, up about 1.5%. We saw it reach a 5-week high today. Natural gas settling right around the 2.673 level. We saw a high at 2.70 and a low of 2.625. So we're seeing this rally now continue off of the lows. We see the rally basically continuing to build on itself. We did see natural gas break through the 50-day moving average today briefly, settling back down below it, but breaking through the 50-day moving average. It comes in at 2.69. So up about 1.6% on the day effectively, but we did see it a little higher at some point during the day. Trend though, the short-term trend still continues to be higher. Now I pointed out 5-week high in natural gas, and we are seeing it kind of coming off of the lows. So this is a 3-year low going back to 2016, right around that 2.5 level. But it does look like a double bottom is being put in place here, and we are seeing a series of higher highs and higher lows, at least for the last month. So we'll have to see if that continues as we see some of the dynamics within the natural gas space continue to shift. And when you look at one of those dynamics, it's expectations. I think you definitely want to be focused on there. We did see the expectations in the market get maybe a little bit ahead of themselves when we saw natural gas push down to that 2.50 level. Certainly supply concerns were definitely in focus here the last few months. Also demand concerns, and now with the dynamics between China and the U.S., and we see China now ramping up their tariffs on natural gas importation, particularly of U.S. natural gas, from 10% to 25%. So you would expect that to put some downward pressure on natural gas, but I think we're also seeing shifting weather patterns here in the U.S. and some of the dynamics being played out there. And when you look at the Southwest, an increase in expectations for the heat index out there for the next couple of weeks. So I think that's part of the reason why we're seeing the support factor here in the natural gas kind of counteracting some of the dynamics coming out of the U.S.-China trade relations. But right now I want to point out that as we continue to unfold here, we do see at least a little bit of a bottoming pattern, in natural gas the last couple of weeks, and I'm looking for that 2.69 level, that 50-day moving average. If we're able to break and hold above there, that you would expect that you're going to see continued short covering and potential breakout to the upside.